Doshi. The Supreme Court today issued a stern warning about the irreversible damage caused by illegal mining, particularly in the ecologically sensitive Aravalli region. The court emphasized that the consequences of such activities could be severe and far-reaching. In response, a bench consisting of Chief Justice Suryakant, Justices Joyamalia Bagchi and Vipul M. Pancholi decided to constitute an expert committee in order to examine mining and related issues in the Aravallis. The committee, which will be formed under the court's direct supervision, will include eminent environmentalists, scientists and mining experts as proposed by Additional Solicitor General Aishwarya Bhatti and K. Parameshwara. The bench directed them to submit names of qualified professionals within 4 weeks. The court's decision comes amid growing concerns over the continuing illegal mining activities in scattered locations across the Aravalli range, stretching across Delhi, Haryana, Rajasthan and Gujarat. During the proceedings, the court was informed that unlawful mining persists in various areas, despite efforts to curb it, and in response, the Rajasthan government, represented by Additional Solicitor General K.M. Nataraj, assured the court that the state would take immediate action in order to halt any unauthorized mining activities. The Supreme Court stressed that the law must take its course against all those engaged in illegal mining. At the heart of the matter is the definition of the Aravalli Hills, which has sparked controversy. The Supreme Court had earlier approved a uniform definition of the Aravallis on November 20, 2023, based on a report submitted by the committee under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. The definition proposed that an Aravalli hill would be any landform in designated Aravalli districts with an elevation of 100 meters or more above local relief, and an Aravalli range would consist of 2 or more such hills located within 500 meters of each other. However, concerns were raised about the environmental impact of this definition, with critics arguing that it could strip significant portions of the range of essential environmental protection. And in response to these concerns, the court on December 29 put the order on hold, citing the need to resolve critical ambiguities in the definition, particularly the 100-meter elevation and the 500-meter distance criteria. The court also extended the stay on its earlier order, maintaining the status quo until further orders. The court's decision to create an expert committee reflects its commitment to thoroughly assessing the situation and ensuring that the Aravalli range is protected from further degradation. The committee will be tasked with reviewing all the aspects of mining and its environmental impact, as well as providing recommendations on how best to safeguard the region's fragile ecosystems. In the interim, the Supreme Court emphasized that illegal mining should not continue and directed the Rajasthan government to ensure that unauthorized mining activities are immediately stopped. The court also requested that all the parties involved submit a comprehensive note on the legal questions surrounding the case to be discussed during the next hearing in 4 weeks. Well, the case has drawn significant attention, not only for its potential environmental consequences, but also for its broader implications for the future of mining and land use in India. The Aravallis, which are one of the oldest mountain ranges in the world, have long been a subject of debate, with varying definitions and interpretations of their geographical boundaries. And the Supreme Court's ongoing intervention seeks to bring clarity to all these issues and ensure that any future development in the region is carried out with full regard for environmental protection. And as the court moves forward with the formation of the expert committee, all the eyes will be on the recommendations it produces, which could have far-reaching implications for the management of the Aravalli range and its surrounding areas. That's all for now. Stay tuned to the Savera for more updates. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel.